face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello, welcome back to the channel again. In this video, just discovered a website which pays you $5 over and over again to do short service. Short service. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. I know I've been away for too long, but I've been busy with my personal life, and that's keeping me from sharing online ways of making money with you. But I promise I'll come back very soon. But before that, I couldn't wait to share this with you. Actually, this website is a legit one, and it pays you to do short service online. I'll keep this video short, don't want to waste your time, but make sure you watch it till the end, because if you skip it, you're gonna miss an important step. So without wasting much time, let's go to the website. Okay, so here is the website. The name of the website is called SurveyU. I will leave the link under the description, so make sure you check it out, or you can just go to your web and type in surveyu.com. And the important or the happiest thing in this is that you don't need a VPN before you be able to sign up or to get studies. It's free. Without a VPN, you'll be able to have a full access. You can use it, so it is good. Okay, so the first thing says take surveys, share your opinions on all sorts of subjects. We will contact you by Facebook, text, or email, and your decision which surveys you want to take. So it's a cool one. And the second one says get points, receive points for completing surveys. The average survey lasts 15 minutes and is worth 70 points, and once you've racked up 150 points, you can start collecting rewards. So if you get 150 points, which is equal to $5, which is really cool. And the third one says join SurveyU to express your opinions on everything from brand to what is it bureaucrats or something like that. So as you can see here, you'll be able to exchange your points for Amazon gift cards or paper, which is not something bad. This is really good, and this site is really good, and the points are also cool. And so what's the deal? As a member of SurveyU, you'll be invited to take surveys a few times a month. We promise not to bug you every day. By filling out the surveys on your own time, you can share your thoughts on companies, products, brands, and campaigns. That's really good. So let's hit on the sign up, since we are new here and we want to register for the first time. So click on sign up. Okay, so we'll put in our information here. Let me pause the video and do it. After that, I'll resume it and we continue. Okay, so this is it. All you have to do is enter your email here, then you confirm it, password, you confirm it, then you enter the security code here, then you check in yes, then you hit on send. Okay, so once you've sent it, this is the notice that it will bring to you. Okay, thank you for your interest in joining SurveyU. Please check your inbox for an email from us. We've sent you a link to your first activity that will enable us to verify your email and learn a little bit more about you. The good thing is the first activity will earn you points, so you don't just do it like that. After you've completed the first activity, they will just top up your balance or your points, and from there they will start sending you surveys, and you would be able to get more points and exchange it for rewards. So let's head to our email. Okay, so here is our email. Okay, so this is an email from them, so we click on the red one. Then from here, type in our name, choose your sex, a month, then year. I'll just choose 1990. I'll choose 1990, though that's not my year, but then we hit on next. So here they would ask you about your school. It's like filling your profile. That's how it is. This survey is like filling your profile, and after you've completed it, they will just top up your balance, and it's so easy. And after that, they will just start sending you surveys to your email, and after you've completed every survey, you would get points, and you can exchange those points for PayPal or Amazon gift card. So guys, make sure you try this if you watching this video, and if you doubting, like since you will redeem 150 points for $5, then they will give you something like if you complete every survey, they will give you 2 points, 3 points, 5 points. Then it's a lie. Sometimes you get a survey which was something like 70 to 60 points, which is not really bad. If you get those surveys for 3 to 4 times, then you are gone. It's like it took me, I think, less than 1 week to get this $5. That's why in the beginning I said you can make $5 over and over again. So please, if you're watching this video, don't miss it. Make sure you check it out, act on it, because I like every subscriber of mine to make money online. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe, then comment. I will repeat, make sure you subscribe to this channel, especially if you are new to this channel and you're interested in making money online and learn as well. Thank you once again for coming back to my channel, and hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.
Face, tell me that you love me.